Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Ubank Money. If you want to get started and open up a new account for Ubank Money app, then here is how you can do it. First, make sure that you download the Ubank Money application from the Google Play Store or the App Store, and once you are done, tap open the app. In the first interface, select the sign up option in order to start registering. Now go through the information and tap on OK, sign me up at the bottom. In order to join in, you'll need to be over 16 years old. You must be an Australian citizen or permanent resident. Make sure you have one of your ID forms. If you're under 18, you'll need 2 forms of ID. After you have all of these information, tap on this little box at the bottom that states, I consent to my ID being verified with credit bureau data sources to give me the best chance at passing. Once you check this little box, tap on All Good Continue button at the bottom, and now you'll need to go ahead and go through this simple process displayed on the screen. You'll be able to activate your account info section. Simply tap the next button at the bottom of the screen and follow through the prompts. Now set a passcode for your account. Make sure to think of a unique secret code which is not very much obvious, and after you are done, confirm the passcode by retyping it again on the next page. Now, enter your mobile number in the first text box. On the next field, enter your valid email address. After filling in both of your phone number and your email, tap on the next button at the bottom. After you tap on the next button, go through the prompts till the end. On the next page, enter the rest of the information asked to you during the process, and you'll be able to finish off your account creation process. All you need to do now is to follow the prompts till the end, and you should be able to sign up for Ubank Money application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.